In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make your Reddit account private in just a few simple steps. Keeping your Reddit account private can help protect your personal information and ensure that only approved users can view your posts and comments. To get started, open up the Reddit mobile application and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, turn off your online status. To do that, tap over here. Once you've done that, tap Settings. And then, under the Account Settings section, tap on your username. What you want to do next is scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Allow People to Follow You. So if you don't want people following you, simply toggle off this switch. If you don't want to receive chat and direct message requests, you can turn them off. To do that, tap where it says Chat and Messaging Permissions. And then, under the Chat Requests section, tap and select Nobody. Under the Direct Messages section, select Nobody as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.